Alright guys, I'm here. Welcome back. At Fast 719. I'm at the swap meet. Just looking for a bunch of crap. There's just a bunch of junk here. I already bought one thing. So this is basically what I come to dig through. Just to see what kind of tools are in here. If it comes out or not. Let's go through crap. Looking for name brand stuff. Timing gun. Alright, there was nothing in there that I couldn't live without. Anyway, just here walking around. It's a Little Rock swap meet. Anyway. Not really much going on. Some toys. Some old skateboards. A lot of music. I basically just don't go down these aisles. I don't go down those aisles because they're all just new stuff, new junk. Pressure washer. That's all there is. Hold on. Need some light up badges. Old Milwaukee tools. So there's nothing over there. You can get a lot of menudo beer. Get beer already in the morning. Peanuts. Some socks. Got a lot of new stuff, new clothes stuff. Screws. Some other crap. Anyway. Plants. The lady's always here selling crap she finds at the dump. This lady used to have a big old bus. And there's nothing down there. So there's these trailer bathrooms that leak poop water and pee water. We get a lot of these guys that sell these new tools. New or used tools, whatever you want to call them. And, yeah, they're pretty much all just junk. It's old Chevy Project Crack Pipe. Not the hood, but the tailgate. U.S. Navy.
So it starts to get a little, it's called hysteria. Remember that movie, The Crazies? Well, it was basically...
I'm gonna come back. Nah. It's in a little better condition than the one I already got. Anyway, they do concerts here later in the day. I used to play there when I was a kid. My parents are out here talking to people for 14 hours. Anyway, I just go find new people with new stuff. And then I check it out. That's pretty much it. This is all these storage unit things. These are all just new stuff, old people. Let me check this spot out. Alright, good morning guys, YouTube people, world, everywhere, wherever. Got a couple things doing today. Door's locked. As you can see, back, I got carpet out of this room that's behind this door. Got my levers yesterday for the dirty bike. Just a stock OEM lever. Alright, here's the shopping haul for the Schwat meat. Bought this 12-inch by 5.9-inch portable planer. Fired it up already, so it's a Delta 2240. I got it for 60 bucks. This is where you guys last saw me. Let's see. Let me see here. DLTA planer. ANER. Then I'll type the model number in here. They have new ones, obviously. Looks like they're 300 and something bucks. So let's do 22540. So it's 12-inch. Let's just go to the Amazon, which I hate. Looks like this one. That's the one. 69 pounds. But of course, they're not going to tell me a price. I could sell it on Amazon. Blades are 23 bucks. It is missing the little tables though. The little tables on the end, but I can make some of those out of wood. That's why I hate Amazon. I do not like Amazon. Let's see, shopping. So Lowe's sells it for $3.96, 13-inch wide. Bauer, Harbor Freight, $2.99. Grizzly, $3.99. Anyway, got it for 60 bucks. What else did I get? Bought some crap at AutoZone. Got more pipe, hose clamps, a button for the toy hauler, and to give me my 20 bucks. Bought some Takis Fuego, some Takis Fuego. Alright, this is why I bought this stupid little toolbox. Wow, see all those drill bits? Nothing in there. Nothing in there. Alright, so I bought this whole toolbox with whatever's in it for 15 bucks. When honestly all I wanted was this. Because this is 45 bucks at the Home Depot. They got newer models now. But anyway, flaring tool. Because I'm probably going to need it when I do the AC stuff. I have one, but it's not as nice. Some caulking that I got to throw away. Because he told me I had to take the whole box. And then Westward straight tap wrench. Looks like it's might be made in America, but I'm not sure. Probably not. Anyway, one of mine actually broke, so just so happens that yeah, I got one. All for 15 bucks. One of my Harbor Freight ones broke. Then we got a 3/4 inch tap. 3/4 inch tap. Made in USA. So, and a it's like a 9/16 5/8 5/8 drill bit. It's dull as heck. Anyway, bought that crap. That's trash. And then I bought this little wagon. Paid 40 bucks for this little wagon. It is what it is. I need something to haul that planer out. The guy wanted 80, offered him 40, and he said yeah. And the totes, went to Home Depot, bought totes, and or Lowe's, and I was gonna buy some blades for this, but I forgot what model number it was. Anyway, yeah, I'm not too sure how you change them unless you use a little wrench. I'll look it up how to change them. They look like they seen better days. But anyway, maybe I'll make a little guard for that. Looks like there's supposed to be a cover so you don't stick your hand in there. I almost stuck my hand in there like a dummy. So, yeah, I gotta change this oil. What I'm gonna do, I'll just show you real quick. I'll just do it. Let's not talk about it. Be like Eminem and do something about, talk about it. I don't know. Oh, jeez. Okay. I'm gonna go in here. Let's lighten the mode a little bit. And because I have this stall bus thing, take my hose. I got a rip from the drain pan itself, so wipe it up. Okay, let's see. I'm just looking under here, making sure no leaks. No leaks. Ouch. Take this cap off. Hopefully there's no oil on it. Oh. Ooh. You see that? Dry. Okay. I'll leave that right there. Stick the hose in the drain pan. And come in here. And bada bing bada boom. Drain the oil. Gotta love it. Stall bus. All the way, no mess. So Anyway, I'm just checking stuff under here. Yeah, I don't really see anything. There's nothing leaking. Nothing's ever really leaked under this car. It's been a good car. Just checking stuff out. I am gonna put the 21-inch wheels back on it. Oh, I don't know when. Maybe today. So, anyway, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much my day so far. Just gonna let this drain for a while. Okay. And that's only oil from the Chingalingy. I'm just gonna crack this open, so maybe it'll drain a little faster. Check it, make sure it's not overflowing. See it in there draining, doing its job. And ouch. Yep, that's pretty much it. I don't know if these belts are supposed to ride that far off or not. Riding in its groove. This thing looks all cracked. I might have to order a idler pulley set for it. Ouch, it's hot. Because this belt does not look so happy. Or not the belt, but the these pulleys. So anyway, I don't know if you could see it or not. The belt's hanging over this pulley a little bit. So I'm gonna check and see if I can't. Oh man, that crap's hot. Yeah, I'm gonna check and see if I can't get a maybe they sell a tensioner, or the I don't know where the tensioner is. Looks like the tensioner is this one here. So I'm gonna see if they sell a kit for it and replace it. So, alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm just gonna let this oil change, or oil drain. We do have a new fuel filter in there. Did it at my brother's house. So, alright guys, got a lot of stuff to do. Gotta get the wife's car out of here. And I gotta unload flooring for this room. We're doing some linoleum, lock and loop flooring, whatever, but we gotta level the whole floor. So, alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Oh, I also did buy a little Leatherman plier set for the kid, because he kept talking about one. $5. It's real. It's a Leatherman Wave, I believe. So, anyway, see you guys on the next video. Sorry my videos are all over the place, but they just are. It's just how my life is right now. See you guys on the next video. Peace.